تاني برد عليك في خلال يومين بالكتير. ماشي يا صاحبي، انت فين دلوقتي؟ امم اوكي، ماشي. ماشي زي الفل. عموما انا لايف على الفيسبوك، على اليوتيوب دلوقتي. انا لايف على اليوتيوب، لو حبيت تدخل تسلم يعني. اها، لايف لسه هتكلم عادي يعني. قاعد عادي. ده لا، انا قاعد لحد يعني لحد الساعة 7. ماشي. بانسر questions يعني، انا بجاوب على اسئله. so anyone يعني، لو اي حد مهتم يدخل يساله وانا كمان. ماشي يا حبيبي. ماشي يا صاحبي. So far so good. I do believe that I'm alive, or like I'm alive. No, I'm live for 5 minutes. No followers yet. You know, I really wonder, like, when someone have a dream, when someone has a dream and he's trying to spread it all around, but you lose it. You lose the passion. I mean, you feel like you're not doing anything. You're just lying to yourself, like, I am doing well, but I'm not. I'm doing it on YouTube and I don't know what will be the result, but it's a might. It's an idea that I'm trying to go on with. With. Okay. In order not to spread the bad vibes, actually, we have talked previously about the common mistakes. احنا اتكلمنا قبل كده عن ال common mistakes, the Arabic common mistakes that needs to be fixed. And that's why I am, you know, trying to go live. We have discussed before a few mistakes, but I will be going on to the upcoming mistakes. First of all, we have discussed the last time, nah, few things which I'm not sure if it will be helpful or not. But the alphabets, the alphabets story, it is a so good story. In the past, I asked myself, like, why we do have the K and there is C, and that is the first point. And then I don't know, for years I had the same question, but I got no answer for it. And in the TOEFL exam that I had in university, because I graduated from United Arab Emirates University, in the TOEFL exam, I really remember that I heard that voice, the voice of no, the sea has a story. There is a reason why we are saying this. It's not like for nothing. Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar. And fortunately, I got that, I got that recording and I was really shocked like, oh, that's real. There is a story behind it. So the point is, again, مفيش حاجة اسمها هي كده. And that is the reason why I have that live cast or podcast. Because there is nothing called هي كده. Okay, so I will get back to that presentation that we have. And I'm adding that story, which is crazy, but I'm adding it. Okay, it's already. So if I have right now one of us, just make sure that we are all live. Okay, very good. بمجرد ما الأذان يخلص هشغلها لكم. بس again, the main idea here is let's fix these mistakes. Guys, I do believe that we have the chat. احنا عندنا الchat room في chat area. So I have a visitor here unknown. If you may write anything in the chat room, if you have a question, we can do it. Oh, we got two. Good. That is great. So in the chat again, we say that we have that way of saying hello, and if you have a question, just raise it. لو عندك أي سؤال قوله. الموضوع بسيط جدا. على الchat room. Zero. Thank you. And you zero. Is it possible that one day I will find the numbers increasing, not decreasing? Good. I'll be trying the other app. But let's listen to that record. I like that. And it's really beneficial. That is a record from the TOEFL exam.
Questions 12 through 17. Listen to a lecture in a linguistics class. Something I'm sure you all understand clearly is that the letter C in today's English has two very can or coal. It can also be pronounced like an S, as in
Guide?
what is maybe not so clear is why the letter C has two different pronunciations.
Allah.
So
They understand that we need to understand why we have two different pronunciation. كفاية بقى هي كده. مفيش حاجة اسمها هي كده. أو في سبب. And then go on.
let's look at the history and development of the letter C to understand how these two
History and development. History and development. يبقى في history واللغة بيحصل لها development. ده معناه إن في تغيرات بتحصل so far. فممكن حد يكون بيتكلم معاك يتكلم في حاجة old not developed yet. Like زي مثلا shall. We did not use shall anymore. Like shall I go? No, no, no. We are not using it anymore. That is a development of a language, or whatever happens with time, something will be erased. Let's get back.
very different pronunciations for one letter came to be. Precursors of the letter C existed as the third letter of a number of early alphabets. Look at the letters from these early alphabets, from early Semitic, from Phoenician, and from early Greek. These letters were the predecessors of the letter C. They were each the third letter in their respective alphabets, and they were all formed with a shorter and a longer line meeting at a sharp
Shorter and a
angle.
longer line.
Now, in each of these languages, the letter was pronounced with a hard G sound, as in go or get.
Yeah.
This letter did not have an S or K sound. As languages developed, this early C was used for both the G sound, as in go and get, and the K sound, as in kite or kid. The angular letter seen here from early Latin had two sounds,
Early Latin.
a K sound and a G sound. By the classical Latin period, these two sounds were differentiated. The early Latin angular letter was rounded to create the letter C of today. This letter was pronounced with a K sound. A new letter was created by adding a line to the C.
Allah.
This new letter had a G sound.
Okay, so if you can hear the same sound with me right now, that is a proof that احنا بنهبط. That is the reality. ليه؟ مفيش حاجة اسمها هي كده. And then يشوفكم على خير إن شاء الله. ده لو بإذن الله المرة اللي جاية ممكن نلاقي followers أكتر. وإن شاء الله نكون مع بعض أكتر من الزيرو يعني. So listen to it. هتبقى مهمة جدا. Thank you so much. Have a good day. كل سنة وأنتم